Alright, so there's a demo trade. I doubt I'll be in the market today. Tomorrow, let me see what we have. This is Wednesday. Okay, there's all today's stuff. Then, excuse me, tomorrow we have, tomorrow Tuesday, we have this here. So more likely I just jump in tomorrow, check London, see what GU came up with all this news at 2. On our idea based on how we close here. But I am bullish on GU. So we trade down to one deviation. News send us straight down underneath average low. Back on the midnight of the oh wait, no, that is not this week. Weekly open. Okay, the weekly open will be the order block. Yeah. So what we're waiting for now is just our up close. Alright, so that's how the system does work. So boom. So we now clear out these highs, relatively equal highs. Bam, bam, whap, whap. This low to get taken out. So we have a higher time frame. Higher time frame OTE. Here's these people here. That's what take a small amount. Jumping early. They had to get liquidated. Most times that's happened. So we have more likely here go and get run through, and then we're gonna pull back up into here and then play around a bit, and then from there we should move up. Alright, I want the XY to because I expecting higher prices. I expecting the low. It didn't happen in London. So coming into here we had Asia tight range. Hold on, taking out Asia highs. Yes, you see, close underneath. So everybody thinking we're coming down to take out this low. We take out the high. We set this test at least this open price for the key area. I'm not expecting this low to get taken out. If this low get taken out here, then I will expect these lows to get taken out. Because as I say, time now, boy, time to get things. I don't know, I thought because of how it's how I divide it now. Yeah. So let me see how gold looking, them gold men when but kill off. Gold is a good long here. Yeah, I put the key on the before we get him moved back up, what we just get is kind of closing direction that we want. Then we just had to get our kind of mitigated, and then we will get the period that we want to really enter on. That's how I'm viewing it. So we're looking for a short-term shift in market structure. So basically we just want to see a low and a high. Where's the low? Respected. Higher, higher, high. Ideally a 15-minute close. From a bullish standpoint, I expecting New York to be the low for the day now. GU take out the high before CPI. They take out previously high right before CPI in London and then it come down. But remember the rule is if you expect the higher prices you will get in London. But if you don't get in London, you can anticipate a market a New York reversal. So I kinda basically seeing like a yesterday low and the price the high it make today in London as a low to high to draw your fib now boy, and anything underneath the 50 is a long because I actually bullish. I expecting this to hold now. So that's why I say like if today hold and start and give you this wick down here and start to pull back up, well yeah, bullishness is really like it looking like it's good now boy, because after you take the high, the draw should go down lower to take sell side. But if it rejects sell side after taking the high and basically make a reversal in the New York session, then that is goodness for longs now boy. So the XY now take out the highs on yesterday too. So yeah, the XY now take out the highs there. So I expecting the high to form on the XY to, in this session here. Hopefully bare minimum tomorrow London, but I expecting it to come today. And well, GU take out the highs yesterday in London and then it pulled down in New York. But I looking at this pull down in New York as just the New York low. Because if you don't get the low in London, you can expect it in New York. I expecting this as the low for the day here. And seeing as how we went tapping that buy side in London yesterday. And if we reject the lows here and just give we a wick on GU now, then that is real goodness for longs, which we was already expecting now. Yeah. The XY will take all the highs days, so I expect
Drew, if you want NQ on the daily chat, watch out that shit though. That's watch out that. That is the worst price action I ever seen my like dog, what the hell is that?
Alright, so boom. So we have our 50 minutes open here. And you see how I had them average levels, by them average levels, dog, and how NQ does follow PDR is strong. Yeah, but I follow him price real good. I don't know if I ever tell you, but I noticed in when price consolidating, I don't know why I just be real good us. Like that price action, it has been good for me, boy. Like I don't know, boy, like in consolidation, so I just be real comfortable. When price moving like real trending in a direction, I just be waiting for certain levels to get hit now. Not understanding how fast price printing, and I just be saying now waiting for like a fair value gap or something to get traded to, and I will miss the whole trade because it never come back there because we inside of a price run now. Easy. Put some sleep. Pray to God that's something this candle now to get traded through really high for the day. Could possibly get up into here, but I do think that will affect GU much at all. Right, so if we could just shoot up by this, that would just negate this big move down, creating the order block here. So now these opening price here should be respected, and we should have an engulfing. So we should be hit back now opening price. I want to see an engulfing candle like this, shift structure, opening price should not come underneath that, so just use the support, like it shouldn't close underneath, I should say. Actually wait, no, not yet. INC, so like I would want to see like a gap forming between here after we break out of here. So I now read your message on IG when you say you had a leaf for tree. Well, look at that. Yes, I ain't gonna be able to take it up because when we coming on minutes 2-3, and well, the same thing stands where I say that traffic to leave should gonna just be bad now. So yeah, I ain't wanna keep it back now, so I ain't gonna be able to make it. Sorry. Alright, so we have a low, high, low. Didn't take out this low, so they're relatively equal lows. Then we broke to the upside. You got to have a bearish close, then after that bearish close it's the up on the 15. So actually I'm gonna give myself a little leeway here, keep that 10 until we break this range, and
Ever wondered how to blend in with Trinidadians and Tobagonians? Knowing these 10 Trini slangs is a start. Bacchanal isn't just K.
alright, so you see we basically walk this straight down, candle by candle on the system. Obviously we could have get the short up here too after previous day highs get traded through, but we only taking high probability entries. The high was traded through, run up in London, but I am not short. accumulation, run down, trapman underneath, you trade back up over the accumulation. So these who inside there who sold on the break got lower, stuff was above here, turn, hit them. Now, and we're back into accumulation. So this whole zero is here. Actually, I'll put my take profit right there. Excuse. If I shade it on like a 4-hour chart, stuff sort of be underneath here. Alright, so we're gonna leave this, let this go through, and we could check back in later. Alright, so just follow in, tapping back in, and you can see so set, so done. We walk this straight down. Ideally, maybe if we this gap here, if this gap could stay in for Tuesday, I would definitely look at a entry at this gap. In London Tuesday. So see, we didn't get up to the average high for the day, so obviously they will be more as well. Take off 9 lots and let the rest go up, and we can get in here Tuesday London, that'll be good, because expecting this candle to get traded through and make a newer high. So we should make a newer high somewhere up here. And I'm gonna take a partial here again. We'll close off 3 and take the 9 here. Now I'm supposed to be looking at our short on. I'll pull back into the low here. Right, so we take our partial at the 3-day open. So this is how we look at bam bam bam. So worst case scenario, we come back down and we hit stop loss at profits, which I don't think is what happened. This gap should be left open, and as soon as we clear out here, we have a high and we have a low with a PLRA. So we get a new high and then we come down into here. That should be a good buy, and the average low should line up somewhere here for tomorrow. If we get onto it, then we get long that position and we'll hold up for the rest of the week. Take some smaller gain, like a 0.8, risk like a $80, and see if I can make like a 3 something, 4 something, and be our next 5% for the week. 1% for the week, and we 2, 4, 6, 8, so 14 something. That's about half from here. Half of 7, 7, 2, 2.